Hey, let's talk about lemon oil. Lemon essential oil is very inexpensive, but it has very many uses. The first time I heard about lemon oil and I got into Young Living, I heard people using it to make their own disinfectant cleaner. So they would fill a bottle and with water and add different essential oils. I guess you would probably need witch hazel or something to evenly spread it. But lemon was used as a disinfectant cleaner in like kitchens and bathrooms and all over your house. I have used it in my water before. It's very detoxing and cleansing to the body. It helps get rid of petrochemicals. Those are plastic chemicals in your body. So it eats right through them and helps you eliminate them. Lemon is great for pimples too. People in my house have used it right on their skin for blemishes and pimples. It's kind of like a drainer. So if you have that in mind, that's what it does. I have also applied it to my lymph nodes when I'm feeling ill and clogged. I'll put it right on my lymph nodes. As with all the citrus oils, you do not want to put it on your skin and go out into the sun. You want to use this at night if you're going to put it right on your skin. It has many uses. Right now I've been diffusing it a lot and sometimes using it on my face at night, but it's very cleansing and very good for you, detoxifying. And it's also one of the cheaper oils. I think it's $11 for this bottle. So hopefully that was helpful and have a great day.